Hello, S1 students. So have you tried different methods in making the tessellation? And then here we come to the last method, which is called the flip tessellation. So it is a bit tricky, so I would like to show you step by step. So what you have to do is, again, prepare 6.5 times 6.5 cm square paper. And then afterward, because this flip tessellation involves some tricky things, so I have to color one side of the paper in green like this, okay, to make sure that you know what I'm doing. And then afterward, you can just flip it over, okay? So flip it back to the white area. Then just like the previous skills, what you have to do is draw a very random line that you like, but make sure that the 2 points should connect to the 2 corners. And then the other side again. Again, the points are touching the corners. So afterward, you just need to cut it out. Okay, so then you have 2 shapes here, right? Okay, so for this flip tessellation, what you need to do is just like the title, it needs to be flipped, okay? So this part on the top, so you have to flip it horizontally. That means the original part is like this, right? And then we flip it horizontally. Then you will see the area that I've colored into green, then you can see it in the front. Okay, and afterward you just put it downward. Okay, and then use the tape to stick it together. Okay, and then the other part here, again, we have to flip it. But this time we have to flip it and in a vertical way. That means the original shape is like this, right? And then we flip it vertically, okay? And then again, after flipping it, we move it to the right hand side and put it here. Again, use the tape to stick it together, okay? Then you will have a brand new shape, the brand new tessellation. Then you can form the shape on your draft paper. So what you have to do is outlining the whole tessellation with the pencil. So you have to hold your tessellation properly so that you can outline it in an accurate way. Okay, so this is the first tessellation outline, and then because this tessellation involves flipping, so the second one, what we have to do is just need to flip it, and then find back the area. Okay, so guys, you have the first tessellation here formed, right? And then the second one, what you have to do is you need to flip your tessellation to the other side, okay? And then find back the accurate line that you can perfectly fit your second tessellation into your first one. So you can see that this line, it is perfectly matched with my second tessellation. And then you can draw the outline again. Okay, and so on. You just finish drawing it. Then you will have your whole tessellation with at least 4 individual part inside. So, and then what you have to do is you have to design your own character or anything you can think of, maybe an animals or maybe objects or your own design character into your work.